The ajDBUpdateLOB function uploads a file to a binary large object column or a big string to a character large object column in a database table. In this video, we would like to show you how to use the AlchemyJ Extended Function, ajDBUpdateLOB. Before we start, please note that to run this function in Excel, you would need to set up the data source connection in the External Resources worksheet. Please refer to AlchemyJ documentation website for how to set up the data source connection. In this tutorial, we will take the table TB_ supporting _ as an example and use ajDBUpdateLOB function to upload an Word document to the record with ID equal to 1001. To use this function, Lobinfo table and DB Schema component are required. Let's add DB Schema Worksheet first. In AlchemyJ ribbon, click Add Component and select DB Schema. It will ask for the table name. Type TB_ supporting _doc. And it will load the table structure from the database automatically. The table schema address is A4 to R10. Select a blank cell, click Insert Snippet and choose Lobinfo. A blank Lobinfo table is inserted. This table is used to specify the metadata of the large object. In this case, it is the Word file we want to upload. These 4 columns are mandatory for uploading a file to a BLOB field, and these CLOB columns are mandatory for inserting a big string to a text column. Let's input the Lobinfo. The LOB content field is the column name which stores the file. The column name is content. The second column is LOB content folder. Input the folder path of the file. The third column is the column name to store the file name. The last column we need to input will be the file name. That's all for the components. Now we can use the ajDBUpdateLOB function. Select any cell and type equal, then ajDB. A list of AlchemyJ database functions will be shown. Select ajDBUpdateLOB. Then open the parameter window by clicking here. The first parameter is table name. We input TB_ supporting _doc. The second parameter is Lobinfo. We input the Lobinfo range that we just defined. The next parameter is filter type. Set the filter type to 0, which means we shall input the filtering condition using the SQL where clause syntax. In the filter condition, we set the condition to ID equal to 1001. For how to use filter condition 1 and 2, please refer to AlchemyJ documentation website filter condition snippet for more details. Next, input the address of the table schema. Set the last parameter run by function point only to false so that the function will be executed immediately. It is for this training video purpose only. In most cases, this parameter should be omitted or be true to avoid the function to be executed whenever Excel calculates the workbook. Click Calculate Sheet. The number of affected records is returned. Let's check out the result in the database. The record was updated successfully. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.